All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make money with ClickBank. But before I do that, I want to show you something very, very important. So this is a diagram that I created in order for you to understand how to do it correctly. Okay, so we have the visitor. This is a person that we want to purchase something, okay? They are going to be on some traffic source, right? Without this, that means just going to them, to their house, to their work, and trying to sell it to them. But typically, in this day and age, right, we're using the internet, they're going to be on some traffic source. So this could be, they might be on Bing, searching for something. They could be on Facebook, Google Display Ads, Google Ads, YouTube Ads, anywhere, right? There's thousands and thousands of different traffic sources, almost unlimited. Next, we are the affiliate, right? We stand between the traffic source and the affiliate network, right? So they're not going to ClickBank directly. They're going to ClickBank through our affiliate link. And typically, this is going to be a landing page, a web page. Maybe we're doing email collection through here. And then once we get them, we are going to be promoting various offers to them. So this could be dating, survey, sweeps with CPA marketing. And if we have the CPA, this is CPA right here. We get the commission. Otherwise, this is ClickBank. We need them to purchase. As you can see, it says affiliate marketing, CPA marketing. We're talking about affiliate marketing. And so we need them to purchase it. This is CPA marketing. We need them to enter their email or something like this. So what a lot of people do is that they get the link and they link directly, right? We need to have some kind of engagement, right? You see this whole thing here, this part? This is engagement, right? This is just one small part of the puzzle. And what is engagement? Engagement is talking to the visitor, talking to them, seducing them, persuading them to buy something, talking to them, convincing them, right? And when you're linking directly, right? So if I go to ClickBank, let's say I pick an offer, let's say I go to green products here, and let's say I want to promote, I'm going to sort it by gravity, high to low, and I say I want to promote this offer right here, great offer. I generate my hop link and I copy this, and then I go and spam the whole internet, right? When you do that, you're essentially skipping this. You're not persuading them. You are giving them a link to the landing page, and you want the vendor to persuade them, right? You want the offer to persuade them. That's not how you do it. You guys gotta, work. You gotta put some more effort into your offers. You gotta try to persuade them. There's lots and lots of ways of persuading them. Lots and lots of ways of doing it. One of the simplest ways is by creating a landing page, by creating a website. This is all you guys are aware of it, but there's lots of other ways, lots of very, very creative and imaginative ways of doing it. And that is what I'm going to be showing you in today's video, how to do it correctly. But before I do that, let's talk about what kind of offers we want to promote. So the kind of offers you want to promote, you're going to go into categories, and there's lots of offers you can promote, lots of different categories. And the main kind of, niches that people go after are business and investing, health and fitness, and then self-help. These are the three big niches. But in today's video, I want to talk about something else. I want to, talk about offers that a lot of people do not promote. And for that, we're going to go into sports, okay? And here I'm in the sports automotive. And in this example, we can type something like basketball. We can do that. We can type something like, another sport. There's a lot of really good offers. As you can see, the gravity is very, very healthy. But there's an offer that I found that's really, really good. And we're going to do that by typing golf. So what we're going to do here is we're going to sort it by gravity, high to low. And then we're going to see where our golf offers are on this list here. So here we have the stress-free golf swing. Gravity, very, very healthy gravity. We're getting $37 per 37 initial value per conversion. You have your rebills, you have a lot of things. We're going to open the landing page, and we're going to open the affiliate page. So here's the landing page, consistent golf, and this is the affiliate page. Join us as an affiliate, earn 75 commission on every sale. Already an affiliate, you can click here to log in, right? So they want you to join. You're going to get, your information as an affiliate. You're going to get more things. Now, you can also enter this information here, and you're going to get more affiliate stuff here, affiliate resources, stuff like that. In this video, we don't really need to do that because like I showed you in the beginning, we're not going to be using any kind of affiliate resources that they give us. We're going to be doing something else. And for that, you're going to go to a website called tryinteract.com. That's tryinteract.com. You're going to go in here. and you're going to create your free account. So I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. All right, so I just logged in, and what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing different types of engagement material, and these could be quizzes, these could be any kind of, a little landing pages, a little apps. These are very, very cool, and they're gonna set you apart from thousands of other affiliates or even millions of other affiliate marketers that are doing the same thing as everybody else. And so you have your goals here. We have audience research. We can generate leads just for fun, segment my audience, test their knowledge, start from scratch. So we're not going to be starting from scratch, because what we want is we want to take something that already exists. So if you go to browse all, you're going to have a lot of these quizzes, right? You're going to have a lot of interesting things. And guess what we have? We have, what is your level of emotional intelligence? Do you have what it takes to make your blog blast off? And what you guys should be thinking about is what kind of niches are these quizzes going to work with, right? So this is emotional intelligence. This is going to work well with self-help, dating, relationships, self-improvement, stuff like that. This right here is going to work really well with entrepreneurship, making money online, building a blog. This is going to work well with health. What is your clear skin? We also have some of these other ones. And guess what we have here? We have how much do you really know about golf? Discover your level of golf knowledge and learn a little or a lot. If you go in here, I don't want to hover it because it's going to just block it. But if you come in here, you can see it. On top of that, I'm going to give you tips to play smarter and score lower. Get ready for some serious wins. So we're going to hover over it and we're going to click preview. And that's going to allow us to preview the quiz. Take a look at this. This is an amazing golf quiz. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to say use template. And so what that's going to do is it's going to create our own quiz based on that specific template. And it has a little video here. You can kind of watch this video later on. But right now, I want to show you the power of this amazing tool that you can get started for right away. So we can have questions. But before that, we have cover, right? You can edit this. You can just click on it and you can change the font. You can change everything. We have questions, right? There's all these questions. And then we have results. So this is an actual quiz, right? 0 to 3. You got, this is for 0 to 3, right? You have this result. Then you have another from 4 to 7, depending on how many right answers you get. And then from 8 to 10, you're a golfing aficionado, you're a golfing fan, you're a golfing newbie, etc., etc. You also have lead generation that you can enable. You can share social share settings. You have conversion tracking that you can enable as well. You can do a lot of things. And best of all, you can send them to an offer. You can send them to a ClickBank offer. So for instance, let's take a look at this. So there's a lot of questions here. We probably don't want that many questions, right? So let's delete half of these. Let's have 5 questions. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove 5 questions so that we have 5 questions left. I'm going to remove all this. And that's what we have. And so what do we have? We have 5 questions. Okay, we have 5 questions. And then we have results. And what we're going to do here is we're going to have just one result. Okay, I'm just going to have one result. And I'm going to go in here. And I'm going to make sure this result is always going to be there, right? And so if you click on this result right here, we only have one result. You can click on result settings and you can say display score. No, not, we don't really care what the result is. No, do not display the score. No, do not show the correct answers in result. We're going to hit save. And now it's not going to display anything. It's not going to display anything. And now we have this. Now there's a couple of things you guys can do. You can redirect results. You can just redirect this result to this URL, right? Depending on how they score. We don't really care how they score. We just want them to purchase our product. So we can go back to ClickBank. We can go to our golf, the stress-free golf. We're going to hit promote. We're going to generate the hop link. We're going to copy this. We're going to go here and we're going to paste it. Okay? That's it. It's automatically saved. And now this is going to redirect it. Now, if we don't want to do that, we can remove this, hit it, and now it's back here. And what we can do is we can just, have a congratulations. We can have this little quote, and we can remove all this. We can remove all this, and guess what we have? We have a call to action. We can click here. We can say improve your golf swing or golf game or whatever. And this is going to be our link. We're going to go in here and we're going to link this URL. And this is going to be to an affiliate offer. And this is going to be a link right here. Okay? You can put something like, thanks for taking this quiz. Something like this. You can have this stuff here. You can have your call to action URL. And then you can hit publish. Publish as is. Copy the link. And then you can go ahead and take this quiz. Now, this quiz is now live. And so when you hit take this quiz, you go through the motions. You're going to have your call to action at the last page. And they can click and they can buy the offer. Or you can go back here. You can edit your quiz that you just created. And you can change the way it works. Change its behavior. So for instance, we can go to results. And like I showed you before, you can create more questions. Add new results. You typically only want one question, one type of answer, one type of result. And then you can hit redirect results and you can hit redirect all of this to our offer. That should be the ClickBank offer there. Depends how you want to do it. It's really, really up to you. You can test both methods and see which one works better. And so in my opinion and my experience, this kind of thing, creating an engagement, talking to people, making them feel special is going to increase your conversions by a lot, as opposed to what a lot of people do, just direct link or spam the whole internet with their links. And like I mentioned, this is an extremely, extremely powerful tool because you can go back and you can create all kinds of quizzes. So here I am back. I can create a new quiz and I'm back in my templates. I can segment my audience. I can just for fun. I can start fresh. I can scroll down. I can start from scratch and I can create an assessment, personality scored, all kinds of interesting quizzes for self-help, for any kind of stuff that requires actually getting to know the person and making them feel special. Or in other words, qualifying them, which is one of the most powerful things that you can do when it comes to selling stuff online. All right, guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this method. Let me know below if you have any questions or comments. Let me know if you have any questions about promoting some type of other offer. If you want me to expand on something, like this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of these similar type videos every single day. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.